Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to open and use the clipboard on your Android phone. The clipboard lets you view text, links, and other items you've recently copied, making it easy to paste them again without copying everything from scratch. Follow these simple steps. First, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, Notes, WhatsApp, Gmail, or Google Docs. Tap inside a text field to bring up your keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, look at the toolbar above the top row of letters. On most Android phones using Gboard or Samsung keyboard, you'll find a clipboard icon that looks like a small clipboard. Tap it to open your clipboard history. If you don't see the clipboard icon right away, don't worry. Tap the 4-square grid icon or the 3-dot menu on the keyboard toolbar to view more keyboard tools. From there, select Clipboard. You can also drag the clipboard icon to the main toolbar so it's easier to access in the future. When the clipboard opens, you'll see the items you've recently copied, including text, links, and sometimes images, depending on your keyboard and device. Simply tap any saved item to paste it into the text field. If this is your first time using the feature, you may see a prompt asking you to enable clipboard history. Turn the feature on to save multiple copied items instead of only the most recent one. Keep in mind that clipboard history may clear automatically after a period of time or when you restart your device, depending on your phone's software. You can also pin important items if your keyboard supports it, so they stay available until you remove them manually. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.